Welcome. So this is the highlight overview of this project. I just named this Cloud Database Administration, but for this project, we are doing really actually a cloud database migration, or in other words, specifically, we are actually setting up a cloud replica of a on-prem primary server. So these are the some project highlights that we will be performing together along with our DBA Bob. So we will set up on-premises two VMs, and we call them, one is called them primary, the other will be a replica. And like I said earlier, we will use DigitalOcean. We will, for the sake of this project, consider this is our data center. We will install a specific version of MySQL on both of these primary and replica, and we will also go ahead and install the extra backup tool also. Then we will take the backup from primary and then restore it on the replica, and then we will set up GTID based replication. Here I missed one line. Of course, we will have to create a replication administrator user, or we can actually also create a DBA user that we can log in from anywhere. So once this is done, we will have this GTID based replication, because this user replication admin will already be restored on replica, and then we will be able to connect to primary through that replication admin user. And then once this setup is done, then we will go ahead and use AWS to set up one EC2. We will have our own EC2 on Amazon Linux 2. Here we are using CentOS, or actually we call this Red Hat based system. So these are Rail based system, and Amazon Linux 2 is also Rail based. So we will have no problem. Same specific version and extra backup on EC2. Everything will be same, and then there are certain necessary tools that are required for online data duplication, because we will be copying data from on-prem, or in other words from DigitalOcean to all the way to AWS, and we do not want to copy and then paste. I will show you a way to use XP Stream to directly online actually stream the backup, directly taking as it is happening right now. It is restoring on the AWS replica. Once this backup has been restored there, we will prepare this backup so it will be ready to open up a MySQL service. Then we will set up this AWS replica as quote unquote called cloud replica for our on-prem primary server. So this is the overall picture of our project. I want you to please follow along with me. I will show you step by step. A lot of these steps has actually already been covered in the rest of the course, but I just want to re-emphasize, and I will just start from scratch to show you exactly how we do that. So I will actually log into DigitalOcean. I will log in. I will create a project. I will create two VMs. Everything will be from scratch, and it will be step by step. So I will actually go ahead and also create in our repository, GitHub repository, a specific page that we can actually follow along. So let me see you in the other side where we will start the lab.